Alright, so this is going to be a little quick oddball documentary. We're on a brief vacation, so we're at this lovely vacation house that our family friend of ours who happens to be a doctor has. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous place. And of course, being near the shore, it's pretty well equipped on ceiling fans. So I'll go in the back. Here's what we're going to do. First of all, most of these Casablancas, they're all enforced. Most of the fans are this style Casablanca right here. They're all on 4-speed sliders. So they have but yeah. Here's what the lows are like. Nice aesthetic lows. Here's the medium low, which I would call the functional low. This is the actual functional low speed. That's low. They're all like this. I'm not going to bother turning them all on. Just this one, because it's kind of cool day. There's medium. And here's the high speed, which, although these are spinner motor Casablancas, is still pretty good. These are more like a high-end hunter. You know, good hunters, like 90s, 2000s, and 80s hunters than in terms of the quality. Their porch, I love this screen porch. This has some basic outdoor fan. Cool channel that is stiff, so I'm not going to do the speed, but I will turn it on briefly. It moves a fair bit of air. Hard to judge with the wind. It'll be enough to keep you cool. It's only one speed in practical terms. But yeah, nice family area, gas fireplace, pretty fancy kitchen. Got the excuse that we had some stuff here. Some way complicated coffee maker that I do not understand. Let me just turn on some lights so you can see it better. Yeah. Fluorescence is definitely not a preheat. Sorry, Dan. Other things down here is a nice little desk. Beach time, I love that. Powder room off the garage, which the actual owner has this gorgeous classic Mustang. Gorgeous machine. Convertible. I have no clue on the engine and transmission on that one. I think it's an auto though because it only had 2 pedals. Car guys, you can figure that out. Moving on to the living room. I love this install. Amazing. And lots of sconces to boot. Going back around, we have a nice little media room with some more lovely sconces right here, which with the bluish colors could probably stand for daylight bulbs, but that's just me. Master bedroom also has a enormous cathedral ceiling and another epic fan install. They got this little laundry. Master bath is this is called high-end because the master bath, let me just see if I can figure out how to turn on the lights. Okay, there we go. Has a huge shower, hot tub. I don't even understand this kind of shower with all these controls. A huge separate walk-in closet that's as big as my home media room. It's just a lovely place. Most of the lights are on dimmers too. The toggle slider type, which are my second favorites after true slider dimmers. Going upstairs. Here's another beautiful shot of that family room with the ceiling fan. Little bedroom here, no ceiling fan. Wish I had a Casablanca Walla. Bedroom number 2, which is the one I was using, has one of the 3 smaller of the same fan. They're just the 42-inch version. Bathroom is over here. Just a standard fair shower with a wand. Yeah, there we go. And of course a vent fan. Pretty quiet for a vent fan, I might say. Bedroom number 2. Parents were using this one. Also has one of those fans. They're in proportion, and these small ones move plenty of air for as you could expect for a Casablanca. These really, as I said, bedroom number 3. So we'll do the small one. Aesthetic low. No, let me just kick it up a little. Yeah. There's your winter low. Here's your real low. Here's your medium. And your high. I really like the speed that these Casablanca 4-speed wall controls produce. Let me just keep that up on high for a moment longer, make sure it gets all the way up to speed. There you go. Turn that off. But yeah, lovely property. Oh, the location, that is all. I just thought this would be a good little extra documentary.